There are four things which are critical for bees, and one is land. So you need to have a space where the bees can get flowers, because the bees need nectar as their food. The other thing they need is water. You also need to be able to provide security, and also the location needs to be not so much exposed to sun, so there needs to be a good shade for the hives. So that's it. That is it. Land is critical. The hives, they need to be at least 100 meters from human habitation, so that they don't attack people, because bees are wild animals. Sometimes they can become very hazardous. So we encourage our farmers at least to have the apiary located around 100 meters away from human habitation, and that helps in making sure that there's no human-wildlife conflicts between the bees and the livestock, or even the human beings.